Disclaimer: it is highly suggested to not pick up dirty needles found on the sidewalks on this street to reuse for shooting up heroin, as they could be highly contaminated. In this video, I am on Madison Avenue in Memphis, Tennessee. I start off on the east side where the street starts, and then I head west towards downtown where the street ends. We start the video in one of the better parts of Memphis. Most of Madison Avenue travels through the Midtown district, which has been up and coming, with the very end of the portion of this drive going through downtown. Madison Avenue is lined on both sides with bars and restaurants, perfect for getting plastered during your bachelor or bachelorette parties. On the left ahead is the popular live music venue, Minglewood. Across Madison from Minglewood used to be a giant vacant lot. It looks like they're building apartments there now. On the left ahead is a vacant 12-story tower that has been this way for years. The city and the University of Tennessee Medical School can't seem to figure out what to do with it. A block west of here is the famous Sun Studio at 706 Union Avenue. It's where Elvis Presley, B.B. King, and Johnny Cash recorded some of their large hits. Meanwhile, the Starrick Building, yes, that's the building with the arrow pointing to it, is probably the coolest skyscraper in Memphis, as it was built in 1930 and was the tallest building in the southern U.S. from 1930 to 1957. And now we are in downtown Memphis. As I slow down the video down to regular speed, it's worth a mention that Memphis has 3 trolley lines: the Main Street line, the Riverfront Loop, and the Madison Avenue line. In 2014, the Riverfront and Madison lines were suspended for 4 years after fires broke out on 2 trolley cars. In 2018, the Riverfront and Madison lines reopened. Also, don't forget to check out the separate video I have covering downtown Memphis. And this is where Madison Avenue ends at Front Street, with the University of Memphis Law School building on the other side. If you enjoy my videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my channel for more. We'll see you next time. Peace!